Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's go back to our business and continue to discuss the situation on the euro currency. So that is the daily time frame as usual. Well, you can see that during the weekend in the United States, market has shown the downward continuation inside of the trading range of that upward candle. Recall that our major expectation is that if bulls are still in charge and market really intends to continue move to the upside, the low of this bar should hold, and market should not erase this candle by the price action. So if this will happen, then probably we should forget about potential ABCD pattern to the upside, and that will be really bearish sign. Market has passed enough room after the hitting of the overbought, so currently it stands not at the overbought as well as not at oversold. So now in some middle range, and there's no barriers from that standpoint for the market to continue move to the upside or to the downside. You can see by this black line, this is the break-even of the trend by the MACD indicator. This is some kind of the MACD forecaster. You can see the trend holds bullish, but market is approaching to the break-even point of this. Also, you can see that market is approaching to the area of support, 124.63, the area that has held the market during the previous move to the downside. That is 618 support from the whole swing to the upside. This green line is the weekly pivot support one. It's 124.75. So that will be the support as well as the important area of the break-even of the trend. So you can see that currently it looks like the market is showing some a bit deeper retracement that it could come from the logical point of view. So logically and perfectly, if market will find support at the 50% support of this bar and continue move to the down to the upside. But that hasn't happened. You can see market so it feels some pressure to the downside and continue move to the downside. So what to watch for? Well, obvious scenario is market will continue move to the downside, take out of that low will be the butterfly pattern. That is really could appear here with the downside target and downward continuation. It's a large butterfly on the daily time frame. That is the first pattern to watch for. But currently the situation is not as bearish as it looks like on the first view. And today I would like to share with you with another potential scenario that is forming currently on the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look at our previous picture that we have discussed yesterday with the triangle pattern. So you can see 4-hour time frame trend holds bearish. You can see the downward breakout. In first look it looks like very bearish. And also we have this some kind of the ABCD pattern, but I do not like that kind of it. A, B, C tab. The 100% extension stands at 124.92, slightly higher than daily FIB support. Now market has hit 618 support of that swing to the upside. It's 125.16, and on the first view it looks like very bearish. So market wasn't able to hold inside of this triangle, wasn't able to break it to the upside and continue move right from the 50% support area of this whole swing to the upside. And probably it looks bearish, but I just want to show you another picture that opens the possibility for bullish scenario on the current market, even taking into consideration this deeper move to the downside. Let's take a look at it. That is 4-hour time frame, and that could be the butterfly sell on the daily time frame as well on the 4-hour time frame, with the extreme target of the 1618 extension around 129.50, while 127 stands around 128.30 area. If we will take a look at the target of the daily pattern, A, B, C bottom, 100% stands at 128.55 approximately. So it's very close to the 127 extension. And of course, if market will continue to move to the upside, then this target will be definitely reached. Also take a look that this area, if you remember from our weekly research, is the lower border of the weekly confidence resistance area. So that could be the case of this ABCD pattern, and the second leg of this pattern could become the butterfly. As you know, the butterflies usually show deeper retracement inside of the initial swing. So it's very often reach the 786 levels, as here I suppose even 88, very deep Fibonacci level by this price action to the upside from the initial swing. But here it could be the 786, slightly lower than 618 support. So if this will be the case, let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Now you can see that market has turned to some kind of the parallel channel after breakout of the triangle consolidation. Take a look at a couple of moments. First of all, if we will treat it as the first drive, or anyway we'll measure the extension of this retracement to the upside, we will get that current level stands at 1618 extension, right at the lower border of this parallel channel, right at the 618 support, 12516 area, right at the previous classical area of resistance. Now it becomes the support from that consolidation to the left. Okay? If we suggest that market will show the same retracement to the upside and will reach the upper border of this parallel channel, the 1618 extension of that third drive, let's call it this way, will stand right here. It's 124.70 area approximately. That also the 786 support of the whole swing to the upside. And that is very suitable level for butterflies. So this scenario in fact doesn't change the crucial point. So because if market will erase this move to the downside, it will simultaneously erase the potential of the butterfly, since that is our break-even point, crucial point for daily scenario of the ABCD pattern, as well for this butterfly scenario. But if market will hold inside of this swing and will find some support around this area, around 786 support, this will be potential for the butterfly sell on the daily time frame. And that's what I will be particularly watch for during today, tomorrow trading session. Maybe this scenario will touch even the next week. So that's our current view on the market. In fact, I suggest that we should keep an eye on this potential scenario, since it's not quite obvious currently. Well, and probably not every trader see this. The advantage of this scenario is that it has, as we said, the same crucial point for it as the bullish scenario, overall bullish scenario on the daily time frame. And if market will take out this low, they will erase both patterns, as daily ABCD pattern as for our time frame butterfly. So that's why we should keep an eye on it. Because if market will do this, then we will have the clear bearish environment, clear bearish bias on the market, and we'll start to search for the possibility to enter on the short side of the market. Until that will happen, we should keep an eye on this potential, let's call it as 3 drive, but this is more parallel move inside of the parallel channel, and particularly keep an eye on the 124.70 area, how market will respond in this level.